A local family pleading with elected officials to help get their 65-year-old matriarch out of war-torn Syria. 17's Eytan Wallace spoke with the family and joins us now with their story. Eytan?
Members of the Southwest Bakersfield family say if the 65-year-old mother and grandmother is not granted a visa to the United States, her mounting medical conditions could kill her. Angam Al-Dawood came to the United States 9 years ago. A naturalized citizen, she came here from the Syrian city of Homs. Months later, the country spiraled into a civil war, responsible for the deaths of at least 400,000 people and the displacement of more than 6 million.
She can't be left alone.
But now, Al-Dawood is worried about her 65-year-old mother, Sattata Assaf. Assaf lived through the horrors of the war, but is now experiencing significant medical problems.
Early 2018, she had a car accident. She was hit by a car, actually. She had a broken knee, and her health started to degrade. And then afterwards, she started having a lot of fainting condition. And so far, we couldn't find out the reason. The first time she fainted, after that, she broke her nose, broke her jaw and teeth. I'm concerned for her life.
Family members say she saw many doctors in the country, but the doctors did not have the resources to provide treatment. And that's why the family wants to bring her to the States.
She should be here.
But this Syrian Christian family is facing a major obstacle. In 2017, President Donald Trump signed into law an executive order, often referred to as the travel ban. It restricts entry to the United States from these nations, and it indefinitely suspended Syrian refugees from coming to the United States.
It's a nightmare.
A nightmare, she says, because of the red tape the family has encountered in the process. They filed a formal petition with the U.S. Embassy in Jordan last July in hopes of bringing Assaf to the United States. But the family was sent only this note from the State Department. It reads in part, the visa request is undergoing administrative processing and could take several weeks. The family has reached out to elected officials, but with little luck.
We've been in contact now a total of about 11 times with the White House with no response from them. Senator Harris and Senator Feinstein, we've been in contact with their offices 2 times with no response.
But members of the family say Bakersfield Congressman Kevin McCarthy and his office have been helpful. 17 News spoke with the congressman last week about the matter.
I was just talking to the family yesterday, as a matter of fact. Talking to the embassy in Jordan as we work through that, and hopefully we'll be able to get that done.
And as the family continues to wait,
So this is the room we prepared for her.
They want this mother and grandmother to know she's welcome, setting up this room for her.
There should be no reason why she's not here. She's not a threat to the United States. She's not going to be a burden to the United States. And it's causing great undue hardship to citizens of the United States with her not being here.
Even with the challenges, this family remains hopeful, excited for the day this grandmother can see her 10-year-old granddaughter, Lily.
She's a very good American young girl. She has the right to know her grandmother. When we needed her, she was there for us, even in the hardest days. It's time for her to be able to be with us when she is in that need for us. And that's it.
The family estimates there are roughly 300 to 400 Syrian Christians in Kern County. Meantime, we reached out to the offices of Senators Feinstein and Harris today. Still waiting to hear back from Feinstein's office, but a representative with Senator Harris's office confirms they are looking into the matter. In studio, Eytan Wallace, 17 News.